I said, keep silence and spread your wings. Dance with Mother Nature. Keep silence, spread your wings. Keep silence, spread your wings. Dance with Mother Nature. Mother Nature calls for you to join her dance. Starting on Montreal, also known as Hawk Island, spread your wings like a hawk up in the sky. One step to the right, one step to the left, like a butterfly, spread your wings on high. Do it like a butterfly, spread your wings on high. Calling upon all to join Mother Nature for the environment. Yes, calling upon you, come join Mother Nature for the environment. Artists, dancers, professors, teachers, lawyers, doctors, PhDers, even bankers, strippers, strip to the tree, trees, hug a tree, say what you say, dance with me. Mother Nature dances for the environment. Take a policy in the student strike every Friday. Join Mother Nature on Sunday. 9 to 3 dance all night. Mother Nature dances. Organize. Come with me. Mother Nature dances. Who am I? Who are you? Who are we? We be we. Priestess Hannah. H. Channeling divine rage. Channeling divine rage as the oceans and plastics go and pollute the airwaves. Pollute the airwaves, time to pollute. Dance. The solution, dance. Dance. The solutions from the streets to the sky to the parliament tonight. Yeah. Dance with Mother Nature, inviting you all. For sound policies environmentally, ecologically, locally, nationally, and internationally. Clean the oceans, tax the banks. Do you see policy? Dance with me. Mother Nature Dance is inviting you all. nature dances. Mother nature dances. Mother nature dances.